Hello everyone, this is Marjorie with Micron Smart Vending. During operation, have you ever faced these problems? Today, I will introduce our adjustable goods tray for you. First, you can adjust the width of the goods slot. Let me show you how. First, you'll need to take out the partition board. In the back side, there are some screws fix the board. Take it off. There are 2 screws fixing each motor. Loosen the 2 screws. Now you can adjust the position of the motor freely. Move the motor to the right position, fixing the 2 screws, and then reinstall the partition board and fixing the screws. Second, in case you have some big items, so you need to reduce the number of the goods slot, you can just take off one or more motors from the goods tray. Remove the cable. Now we take this motor off. Then you can adjust the other motors to the right position. Third, in case you have some big items like this, you can change 2 single coil slots into 1 dual coil slot. After you fixing the motor, then you can install these 2 different direction spiral coils. Then you can get a dual coil goods slot.